tornado alarm. Is that the second one? Don't worry, they do this every first Wednesday of the week. This is not actually real. This is like the first time. Like I did the eclipse one and then doing this one. Man, that's long. I'm gonna set this down until it's done. Actually, I might put on some music. Okay. Put on some music for you guys. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. Let's see. Open-ended. No, that sucks. Well, hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a nice day. Hit that subscribe button. Bell. Comment down below that you watched, and I will subscribe you. Give a few likes while you're at it at my video. And I will see you next time. Bye.